Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ari Shah, and today we're going to be talking about something really important and a recent mistake I made. So a lot of you may have your Google Authenticator on your personal device, and you might have all your crypto exchanges reliant on your Google Authenticator. Well, I just want to let you guys know that my phone ended up in the washer and it's completely broken. So if you don't have your master key and you don't have access to your Google Authenticator and you haven't backed up your applications, then this is the video for you, because we have contacted Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, Binance, and KuCoin to retrieve our accounts. This isn't all of our funds, as we do have a lot of our funds on the ledger, but we're talking about thousands to tens of thousands of dollars at risk, because we're trading on these exchanges. And because of a little mistake on my end, I could be in jeopardy. That being said, this video will show you how you can contact these exchanges and what you need to do. For most of these exchanges, you will need to take a selfie with your ID and a date and signature. That's what you would need for KuCoin. For Binance, you'll need a video stating the date, the day, and requesting a Google Authenticator reset. Kraken answered immediately, got it done within 2 hours. Gemini said 1 to 3 days. Coinbase is saying 1 to 3 days, and Binance is also around the same time frame. If you guys want to update on when my accounts are resolved and if I gain access to all of them, let me know in the comments below. But I'm going to screen share a little bit for you guys today so you guys can take a look. But let me know what you guys think of the setup. We got our crypto pillow and we got our Ethereum pillow right here. We're trying to give you guys a nice ambiance and a nice setting so you guys enjoy these videos. So guys, let's get into it and make sure that we recover our funds. And if you want to follow up, I'll do a follow-up showing the results. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Ari Shah, and today we're going to be talking about how you can retrieve your accounts with different exchanges. Recently, I broke my iPhone and my Google Authenticator was on my iPhone. So there are several accounts that I had to restart. So this tutorial is for you guys on what to do if you do break your phone and you don't have anything backed up. A lot of people talk about decentralization, but in this scenario, having a centralized exchange such as Gemini, Kraken, or Binance, which are the three that we're submitting tickets with, is useful because they can go and reset this for you. So we're going to go ahead and look at what's going on with Gemini. There's the Gemini credit card, and they're also trading DeFi tokens, so you can definitely check it out. And they have Cryptotopia for crypto education. We want to come all the way down here. We want to go to the help desk. You can either email them or go to the help desk. If you have the master key for your Google Authenticator, you should be fine. And if your phone still works, you can transfer it from one phone to other. But this is for people whose iPhone are broken. So we go to help desk and we're going to request a ticket, and we're going to go to login or account access issue. We're going to put in our email address. If you guys have any inquiries, that's my email address right there. Two-factor authentication code, subject, my device is broken. I cannot access my two-factor authentication. Hello. My name is Aryan Shabazi, and my email is aryanshabazi100@gmail.com. My device is broken and I am unable to access my two-factor authentication to log in to my Gemini account. could please reset my two-factor authentication, then I can log in. Please get back to me as soon as possible. Best, Aryan Shabazi. My name is Aryan Shabazi. Please get back to me as soon as possible. Best, Aryan Shabazi. So we will submit user agent optional. So we're going to submit this, guys. Hello, my name is Aryan Shabazi. My email is aryanshabazi100. My device is broken. I'm unable to access my two-factor authentication to log into my Gemini account. If you could please reset my two-factor, then I can log in. Please get back to me as soon as possible. Best, Aryan Shabazi. We'll put our phone number here. And guys, boom. While you wait, do you want any of these articles? Does this? No, I need help. Boom. So it has been submitted. If you guys want to go to Kraken, you can do the same thing. Say contact support. And you can go here and click sign in troubleshooting. And what are you? I can't sign into my account. Two-factor authentication. Two-factor unavailable or uninstalled, broken phone or new device. You put your email. You write why. You say your account type. First name, last name, all the details. Please describe what went on, what cryptocurrencies do you hold, and tell us about your request. I have already submitted this one, but once you guys fill that out, you can click right here. And you can do the same thing for binance.us. You can submit a ticket, put your email. A lot of options are optional, but you can do website or app. How can we help you today? Account verification, and you fill out the rest and you describe your situation, you submit. But yeah, guys, this was a mistake I made. My phone went into the washer and now I have to get a new device. So I recommend to everyone, back up your phones always. Even a technology nerd like me made a mistake here. And now we're relying on Binance, Gemini, and Kraken to return our funds. I did have my Google Authenticator on another device for a few of my other accounts, but a good 3 accounts, are right now compromised because I'm not able to access them because of a little mistake that went down. So I hope this video was helpful for all of you trying to access your accounts. I know a lot of you have accounts since 2017. I know the ecosystem has changed a lot, and I know that sometimes submitting these requests can take a while, but we will let you know how long it takes. But as always, guys, if you found this information valuable, click that bell button so you receive time-sensitive information. And if you found it valuable, smash that like button so other people can figure out how to submit tickets to get access to their accounts. If you guys want to be even safer with your accounts, you can move all your funds out of decentralized accounts and put them on a ledger. But remember, if you lose that ledger and you don't remember your password code, the 24-word generated, you will lose all your funds because that is the epitome of being decentralized there. But now, since we've lost access with these centralized exchanges, my destiny is in the hand of them, and we will let you know what happens in the next few business days. But as always, guys, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.
safe moon is going so high. Safe moon, gonna make me cry. Oh yeah, going so high.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon.
Safe moon, yeah, let's go, bro. It's time to FOMO. Make me cry, baby. I can't wait, I can't wait.
Millie's on the May, Millie's on the way. I can feel it, yeah. I can feel it on the way, yeah. Safe moon on the way, safe moon on the way, safe moon on the way. I get more today, today.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon.
It's still early right now. Get that moon right now. 4 trillion tokens burnt to the ground right now. Over 600 holders, that's too many to beholders. If you knew what we were going to a million now. 3.5 market cap, going to 10 billion now. 10 billion market cap would be at least a 3x now. 3x your money tomorrow. Binance list is coming, that shit is inevitable.
Safe moon, blowing my mind. Safe moon is going so high. Safe moon, gonna make me cry. Oh yeah, going so high.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go